Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you very nutritious, tasty and healthy recipe. I'm going to make Simla Mirch Sabji. It's a capsicum, bell pepper. I'm going to use two of these, one tomato, two potatoes, one onion, one green chili, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 2 tablespoons olive oil, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, half teaspoon each. Potatoes, aloo, cut into small chunks. Same thing with the bell pepper, capsicum, cut into small pieces. Tomatoes, ginger, green chili is cut, and onion is also cut. And let's start making delicious sabji. Get a fry pan, start gas, and we're going to keep gas on high. Bring olive oil. Bring cumin seed, jeera. As the oil starts to heat up, we're going to cook for like 20 seconds. Now we're going to bring ginger, mix it. Going to cook it like a half minute. Bring onion, mix it well. And we're going to saute our onion for 2 minutes. We're not going to make them brown. We're going to keep fresh into our vegetables. Cooking onion for 2 minutes. This is how they look. I'll bring green chili. Mix it well. After mixing it, we're going to bring tomatoes. Mix it well. Cooking for 1 minute. I'll bring potatoes, aloo. At the same time, I'll bring all the spices. Mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined with the potatoes, bring the gas to medium. The potatoes, they take longer to cook, so we're going to cover with the lid to cook it for 5 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 5 minutes. I'll start fan and I'll open it. Mix it well. And we're going to check our potatoes. The potatoes are cooked over 50%. Now I'm going to bring bell pepper, capsicum, mix it well. Once the bell pepper, the capsicum is nicely combined, we're going to spread it evenly. We're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook on medium gas for 3 minutes. On a medium gas with cover lid, cooking our bell peppers along with the potatoes for 3 minutes. I'm going to open it. I'll start my fan. Mix it well. And if you look at now, the potatoes, they are nicely cooked. They are perfect. So our dish is ready, and I'm going to turn off the gas and we're going to dish out. I have my serving platter ready. This is so easy and so quick to make bell pepper sabji, Simla Mirch sabji. Simla Mirch sabji, bell pepper, capsicum sabji with aloo is all ready. And it's very tasty and very delicious. Please try it. And you always can serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, parantha, even tortilla. Best of all, this really suits well with the plain parantha. So please try it. And if you like it, like always, please subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.